Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to the chat where voice recordings occur. This gets us into the exact context. Once done, check Android or iPhone settings to confirm microphone permission is granted so toggles will appear. Without permission, you cannot disable recording features. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough battery to complete settings changes. Now move to the chat controls and app settings to change recording behavior. In chat settings, tap the contact or group name to open conversation options, then look for voice message or media controls. This is where WhatsApp exposes related toggles. Once found, turn off auto-record gestures, slide to record, or any press and hold behavior if an alternative switch exists. This stops accidental recordings. If your app lists advanced voice message options, disable automatic saving or transcription features too. Make sure to back out gently so changes persist, then test with a short tap. Finish by testing immediately. Tap the audio control to confirm it no longer begins recording. That proves the change worked. If recording still triggers, restart WhatsApp and then the phone to clear cached behaviors, because many toggles need a fresh session to apply. If problems persist, back up chats and reinstall WhatsApp. This resets corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: verify microphone permissions again after reinstall. Sometimes they revert and cause recordings to resume unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.